You know what time it is. It's Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Hit the like, subscribe, because we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon. Yes, we're going soon. Each day, every day, we bring to you live TA, crypto news, positivity, music, and a fun little day with some positive advice. If you like crypto news, if you like this channel, please hit the like and subscribe. Luke, what's going on? Are you going to have a good day, Luke? I am. I don't care what goes on today. Gonna have a good day. La-di-da-da. Yeah. All right, so it's Wednesday, hump day. Couple things I want to talk about. I want to talk about the Bitcoin price, the Ethereum price, and I want to talk about why Solana, to me, has just confirmed 1,000 per. It's got me kind of excited. You're invited, and I'm hoping you're ready to go to the moon. Tune in, because this crypto news has got me paying attention. Solana-based DEX, Soldex AI, an interview with CEO John Robertson. And this is something that I was paying attention to, brought to you for news immediately 5 seconds ago. September 22nd, brought to you for you by the Wall Street Pete Radio Show. We have a bunch of reasons why. We have a new network going on, and an interview with the CEO of Solana-based DEX, Soldex AI, John Robertson. We are getting to know more and more about the unique trading algorithms and the abundance of benefits in the new technology. Well, what do we have going on? Well, we're going to talk about it real quick. What made you choose Solana for the blockchain? Well, Soldex AI is being built off the Solana network. Such the Solana is still a relatively recent network. It has some technical improvements compared to other well-known open source blockchains like Ethereum. The main advantages of Solana over Ethereum, well, the trades per second on Solana is 65,000, while Ethereum only boosts 30. The transaction fee on Solana is only 0.40110001, while Ethereum is at around 1276. Block time on Solana is 0.4 seconds, while in comparison to Ethereum's has staggering 15 seconds. In your opinion, why should the new traders join your exchange? What would be the biggest conveniences? The very first thing, well, new and old traders should recognize its technical prominence due to its being built on Solana network. It guarantees rapidness of the trade and unimaginable technical capabilities in the future. In addition, we are all familiar with the hassles that the new enthusiasts have to go through while opening an account on the exchange. So Soldex, they did pick Solana. It's a base network that they're now building off of. I'm kind of excited. What's going on, Matthew? Good morning. So Solana having a new network, bringing along, the network's starting to build. And I did just hear that Texas has a 30% poll. 37% of Texas wants cryptocurrency in their network. Kind of exciting. We're starting to grow, ladies and gentlemen. Before I break down the TA, I just want everyone to understand here. This is a big day. This is a big time in crypto. We're in the fourth quarter. And this is a big fall. It's the high volatile waves. A lot of you sold on emotion, got out, screwed up, and you're going to watch this price go moon, parabolic, and you're going to wish you didn't sell on emotion. You're going to think, oh, I could have bought it at a better price. Well, when this shit moves up so fast, there's not going to be prices that you're going to be able to get to. What am I talking about? Well, you're going to have to get into these charts now and explain to you. We'll start off with Big Daddy Bitcoin. And I got a little chart prepared for you. I don't do this often, so please do not get jaded or do not get used to this. What do I see here? Well, this is a made-up drawing of the history of what I expect to happen on the RSI for the Bitcoin price. I want you all to pay focus attention, have your clear focus and your main attention on this. Hit the like, subscribe if you have yet to. This is going to be a big video. This is going to be crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, we may hit 38,000 on the Bitcoin price. What is the lowest price we've hit? Well, I said on my last video, as we took the day off yesterday, we could hit about this price. We did. Came down, and now we've seemed to have stopped. Well, we may not be done falling, ladies and gentlemen. This is a really big, important video because I think that we may get this little more downward. Where is it, ladies and gentlemen? It's right about here on this RSI on the history. I hope I'm not in the way. No. So this is what I'm expecting from Bitcoin. This little pull up we got, and then that M. If you see the M, well, the M's going to come into here, come down, scare a little bit of you more, and you're going to sell probably. If you're watching the Wall Street, Pete, you won't. But you're going to get this little dip, and then we're going to just work our way up to new higher lows. And I believe we're going to head back up and start to believe in the fourth quarter. As I think we're going to hit 38 one more time, there's a big possibility. So what can happen? Well, this is what we need to see. So I want you to understand to these key levels, and this may be able to allow you to take in a long position. And yes, I am not a registered financial advisor, but I'm Wall Street Pete. Have a seat. Sicto and crypto. I thought you'd know. This is going to be the resistance level at the 46,000. 46,000 level we need to come through. We need to break this neckline, and we need to come through very soon as an inverted head and shoulders pattern coming. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm looking at. Looking for the volume down here. We start to establish a little bit of volume. This is the forwardly on TradingView if you'd like to follow me. But this is big news, ladies and gentlemen. I do see an inverted head and shoulders pattern coming. Right here would have been the head of the beginning of that, where you start to come down, as you see. Then there's the shoulder. Pretty clear. You see it coming through. Now we're coming to begin the inverted head and shoulders pattern. This is where I'll start a long position. It's completely up to you. Do your own research, as this is not financial advice. But this is a big deal here. This channel coming down, it's starting to look really good. I'm starting to see, and I'm starting to wonder if this is what we'll get. And what is this? Well, this is consolidation. It's a falling wedge. And the dead cat bounce will continue. You'll hit the dead cat bounce at 44,000. I want you to understand that that's what's going to happen. And I can almost guarantee this. I'm getting this good. Yes, I'll toot my own horn if I want to. It's my TA and I'll cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. You would cry too if your TA was good. Good morning. If you were sleeping, wake up on the right side, sing a tune, get yourself up, because this is the Wall Street Pete Show. This is the inverted head and shoulders pattern I do expect to come into. I expect this, maybe some sideways action before we get this purple, but this is a big possibility. Consolidation coming down on this falling wedge, which is a very, very bullish pattern. If we pull it out and continue, you'll see that we may hit that, hit the price here, 41, come down to the 39. This is very, very, very possible, very likely scenario. Want you to understand that. And Bitcoin's going to come down, consolidate, the FOMO's real. You'll get your bottom M's, and then you will get your inverted head and shoulders pattern coming through, whether it's here or here. You'll get it. We'll start our way back up, get a dead cat bounce look-alike. If we break through this neckline, and I have to explain and finesse enough to you, this neckline is huge. This break on the neckline is huge. We must break this 46K. We have to see it in order for us to get 465K. Shit. We need to break that. This was just a joke. We need to break that 46. We definitely do. We got to break that neckline. I've seen it happen before. This is the way it's going to work. There's the two scenarios. So you're going to get the consolidation, or you're going to get the parabolic move with the head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. Holy shit, I can't believe I just said that. We're doing a head and shoulders commercial. Yeah, so if you don't need head and shoulders, you can have hair like me today. Hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We fool around too much. So without further ado, I want to get into Ethereum. Ethereum is Clearium. To me, this, ladies and gentlemen, what did I tell you days and days ago? Sunday, Saturday, I said this big line in the chalk, this chalk line here, 2777 was a big deal. We needed to close above it. We needed to close above this line and meet this line. If I did not do this exactly as I predicted, you're crazy. Come at me. Argue with me for 24 hours, for 2 days, for a week, for a year. Argue with me all you want, but I did circle this and say that this was a significant support level for Ethereum. Don't believe me, just watch. Shit. The proof is in the pudding, ladies and gentlemen. And you don't believe me, just watch, because you just watched. We got that support that I was looking for on Ethereum, and now we're looking to get this run. We need to break this neckline now in order to get the 4,000 level, 3,700 back, Jack. And the only way we're going to get Ethereum coming through back to this on the 3,700 is if we break the neckline through the 31.5, we cannot continue to fall below. As you see, I don't have any other levels of support through here. This is a nightmare. We hit to 26. Yes, we did, but we needed. This is just a bullshit talk. It's the tail of the candle, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want to follow me on TradingView on the 4-hourly, you can. This was just all talk, and it was to scare you. It was manipulation out of the market. We bought a shit ton. The volume's back up. It started to look like this. Yes, what is this? Well, this could very well be your dead cat bounce, your downward M. See this visit one more time, and that's going to be enough for you to get out. You're scared. You're going to visit this one last chance. If this is not the inverted head and shoulders, I'm trying to bring this to your attention. If this is not the inverted head and shoulders pattern that I believe we're getting, it will get one more last M, and then your inverted head and shoulders pattern is down here, the reversal. Your reversal is down here, and that's where we'll start to come back if it's not here. So you got to pay close attention. Look at the volume. Look at the RSI levels. We'll go to the EMA X potential moving average, and I'm trying not to get this video past 15 minutes. I want to do a quick video because you could clearly see on the volume down here that we were selling out like crazy. This is the 4 release, so you got 8 hours, 16 hours. I mean, it's 2 working days of nuts. Please show me the minute, Pete. You want to see the minute? I don't have capabilities of that on here. It's a little too short of a time frame. It won't allow it. I'm confident. We could try it, Luke. Want to see? I doubt it. Ooh, shit, it did. All right, well, it used to not let me, so it must have been an update. But the minute, brother, on Ethereum, we don't need to see the minute too well. But if you look here, we're coming back down to touch the EMA. That's the top of the ribbon on the EMA. And by the minute, it's looking bullish, actually. It's funny you mentioned it, because if you look here on the downward trend, the trend is your friend. This is the minute. We got some support here on this. See this green trend line? This is Ethereum on the minute. I've never done this. This is ridiculous. We should be getting some movement up. And I don't suggest you do that. You want to look at something, look at the 15-minute. The 15-minute can help you. It's constantly touching the ribbon here, the EMA exponential moving average, and it's going to keep touching that ribbon unless we're going to blast off. So let's not really look at it too much. It is a factor. It is nice to look at that, but look at this. 4 hourly, right? Ethereum, let's go to the hourly, and you still see we're bullish. Fighting on the 30 level RSI, 2830 level, look to continue to go through to the 70 and meet us back. The problem is we hit resistance a couple times we got here. 58 level on the RSI level. This is now the hourly, so it's the short term. I'm looking to get some resistance here and come back, so it's really going to play games. And Ethereum is below. If you notice, we're spending a lot of time on the hourly below the ribbon. That's something to pay attention to there. Look at this move. It could be the M, and it's not really a big fall. It's just a downward fall here. You'll get the downward M slope, and that'll be it. We'll touch the 27.7 level again, get the inverted head and shoulders, and pop back up. This will go. What'll happen is, this is what'll happen if you want to understand a little better. We get this M onto the 27. You'll see that. And then what's happened every time? Well, we get the upward W. And that's something you're going to see here that you don't see on this part. But this is it, ladies and gentlemen. See that? If we touch that, and then now what are we doing? What's the big picture? Well, the big picture is an upward W. Not a huge one, but it'll be a W. It'll take us to where we need to go. And before you know it, it'll be 37,700 Ethereum. Back there, we'll be fighting, hitting resistance back up here at the 3,500 as we've done before. You'll see a 3,500 resistance. I'm telling you right now. No MLN. Oh, shit. Okay, now that makes sense. He wants to know about MLN. And I don't even do TA on that. But here we go. We'll edit. Let's see if we can get it into here. No, I'm not going to get it there. Okay. So MLM, Luke, I'm not sure. Are you talking about the market cap? Or are you talking about MLN, the cryptocurrency? I believe you're talking about the cryptocurrency. But I did want to talk about this first before we go into that. 1.88. We just got a 0.04 trillion market cap in the upward spike there. That's not bad. So a little bit of the volume came in there. I wanted to talk about Solana, and then maybe I'll finish the video with MLN for you, Luke. Not a problem. See if we could talk about it, see what we could do. Just wanted to confirm and make sure that MLN, the token you were talking about. So we sit here on the Solana, and this is something significant. We're resting on the exponential moving average ribbon. On it, we're touching. We keep hitting resistance during the bottom. If you see every time I'm trying to get to the ribbon, I'm hitting resistance at the bottom ribbon. Got through the middle, resistance fell down hard. Got through the middle, resistance fell down not so hard. Trying to come back up. Are we creating new higher lows? It might be something on the hourly to pay attention to because the 4-hourly will not show that. The 4-hourly will show you a possible inverted head and shoulders as we've been doing this clear as day on all of them. So I want you to keep saying, yes, he's talking about the token. Okay, awesome. Just wanted to double check and be confirmed there. The shoulder, that's not it. Excuse me. There it is. So I'm trying to pay attention to the inverted head and shoulders pattern coming. Could this be for Solana? It looks like a lot of the markets start to get an inverted. Sideways action doesn't have to really necessarily follow this little new trend line up that we're getting and then up. But pay attention to some of these moves. The RSI level's looking pretty good. This is the 4-hourly. Yes, I do like it. Continued to create new higher lows on even the RSI level as that's possible. See it here. Now we got to get it and then hopefully come through and not create another one lower than that. And then we can get upwards momentum and proceed to see what Solana has on this next spike up. I don't know about you, but I'm really, really flipping excited about Solana and the fact that we have an option to make a lot of money. So I'm going to remove everything, and we're going to pay attention to this because what has this been doing? Well, it's been consolidating. It's called retracement. And if you see, this is what's been happening. And we're continuing to get, even on the 4-hourly, these M-word spikes down. Double bottom M's, and like I said, the trend is definitely your friend. You have to pay attention to that. And we're about to close this up shortly because we're going to be going on over 15 minutes now, and I didn't want to, but it is what it is. Hey, Luke, if you don't mind, I'm going to give you some TA on the side, you and I. You know how we talk and we have conversations on Instagram's chat in the Wolves of Wall Street. I'm going to give you some TA on there. I'm sorry if anyone was looking for some MLNTA, but I'm not going to be doing TA on this video this morning. I'm going to do a little side chat with Luke. So, Luke, yes, I got you, brother. We'll talk as soon as we get off here. And I hope no one takes offense to that, as me and Luke are going to talk here. But I want to break down Solana as it's the last token here. This is my significant break neckline. So we've been talking about the neckline. We've been talking about how we need to break them. And we're talking about how we need to put a long position in. And when am I putting one in? Well, it'll be right about there. And whatever that price is right there, I don't even know. Whatever this price is, 148, now I know too. I don't know if anyone understands this, ladies and gentlemen, but every day I do TA. I go live, and when I go live, I watch my own fucking videos to learn my own shit. It's scary. So my confirmation level is going to be 164. I need to see 164 to get excited. I need to see the resistance level at the 164. That's a big possibility, 164, 165. This is big here, and that's what I need to see there. I need to see some resistance or the breakthrough at this price. I'll be highly excited, and that's what we're looking for. So I just want everyone to understand we are waiting. So pay attention to the 164 level. Pay attention to the break, the neckline break at the 148 level. If we can get this inverted head and shoulders pattern to continue and get through here, Solana will bring us to places where you've only imagined and dreamed of. So 1,000 Solana could be possible. Are we getting the sideways action? Yes. Nothing clear to me showing any significant growth. Been a couple times where if you've seen in the history at July 20th, where July 20th seems to be a problem for everyone in a good way. July 20th, I'm noticing in the July 20th timeframe, a lot of coins have gotten some growth, and are continuing to repeat that again, even though we're getting this downward trend channel here. It's a falling wedge, and a falling wedge is a very bullish pattern, which usually gets a buildup of lots of buys here. This consolidation is huge, and it just continues and continues to get bought up. And I'm telling you, the whales are going to continue to buy these cheap prices, as Solana is just going to continue to make a huge name for itself. So definitely pay attention to that there. Pay attention to the crypto market. Snoop Dogg is killing it in NFTs. This guy's on a commercial, every friggin' other commercial. He's doing Corona commercials. He's doing all these crazy other commercials. If I could be like Snoop, So pay attention before we get off. Almost 30 billion in volume, almost 44 billion in volume between Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're flying through. We were 111 billion in volume on the Tether, looking to come down. That's good. Some of the money seems to be funneling back in. Above $2 for Cardano. Very big news. 5 billion in volume. Solana and Polkadot. Polkadot yesterday was in the 8th spot. So pay attention to the 8th spot on Polkadot. Polkadot's going to make some moves. $29 is really cheap at this point in time. 130 Solana. Let's get real. That is crazy. It's now cheap. I didn't think we're never going to see 108 again, I don't think. When I bought it at 108 back in a couple weeks ago, I was ecstatic. I thought I was the man. Now Avalanche back to 62. We were at $66. I don't see much of a fall during this big process, so that's something to pay attention to. AVAX, Avalanche, very good network. It did not fall anywhere fucking hard at all compared to some of these, right? Algorand was going all the way to 260. We were excited, took a big fall. 650 on Bitcoin. Cash looking at 523. So just pay attention to some of these things. Polygon Matic, it was 140, 139. Now back to the 115. Didn't see much of a fall. We talk about ICP at $58. It's amazing. Well, it's not looking too hot at 45.8. Cosmos. I could buy some more Cosmos. That's for damn sure. I like Atom. It's a great network. It didn't seem to fall far. Bought it at $25. Went all the way up to $40. I was excited. I took some profits. I still have some at $25. Continue to buy at the dip if you want. That's another good buy. Tron looking great. Tron's another one, 6 cents. I was sitting at 6.5 cents on Tron. We know it went higher. It's down 20%. So could you imagine what's going to happen when we do get our back up? FTX. We talked about this on my channel. Tom Brady, Gronkowski, even, what's his name? Stephen Curry, right? What's his name? You say, what's his name with some of this stuff? Follow me on Instagram if you choose to. Definitely Wall Street Pete Instagram. We are here. Follow us. We talk about crypto news. We talk about the Pi Network. And if you don't have Pi, download it on your cell phone. Download it on your mobile. It'd be a big mistake. Capital P, capital G, PD Guns is the invite code. The first mining smartphone on your app on your smartphone. Holy cow, dyslexic Yoda. So pay attention to that. Pay attention as we spoke about. Definitely spoke about it. I know we did. I can't see the picture of where it was, unfortunately, but we talked about Stephen Curry. He got into the FTX, and it's a big deal. There he is. FTX got involved. Breaking news. Stephen Curry has agreed to a long-term deal. I can't speak today. Long-term deal with the FTX officials. We were just going over it. So FTX is moving, definitely moving. FTX is now down. As you see, it's down 25%. Something I'm going to pay attention to. It's a great trading platform. So there's a lot of things to pay attention to. Definitely get on the Wall Street Pete Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, wallst.pete. As you know, we worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Used to have to give this badge every single day to get into and swipe. Bomb-sniffing dogs, crazy shit, men with machine guns. I'm not kidding. I used to have to get into the door with this stuff. Missed this place big time. Used to trade in the open outcry pit in New York. Now we're here in our little office, and little do you know, we're talking about Sicto in crypto. So have a great day. Wall Street Pete, you already know. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I promise you we'll get through this week. I promise you that this fall will not last too much longer. Have a great day. Peace in and peace out. We're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da. Ain't no one got a time today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. La-dee-da-da. Yeah. And they got the Firefly coming. Oh, man, I just found out Firefly, I think, is this weekend. Oh, boy, do I love music. We'll talk to you later. Maybe we'll talk a little bit about some Fireflies, some guests that are coming on there. I'm excited because I may go check them out. Tune in to the next video. I'll see you at the 8 o'clock candles, 8 p.m. I promise we will 100% have one more video for today, at least one more. So hang in, hit the bell notification so when we do go live, you will know immediately and get that information right away. Wall Street Pete, Sicto and Crypto.